Welcome to Collier's Woodshop. Today I'm going to show you how I maintain my planer. What I do first, make sure you unplug it. Then I lower the table so I can get to all my bolts to take off the duct here. So we take off the duct and then we take off the top. Take off this top plate here, and this is where you can see all the internal workings of the machine. So we get the top taken off of it, set over on the table, and then we vacuum out all the chips and anything there. Got a bad seal on the back here, been trying to replace that. That's probably why I get a little bit of buildup there. Got to replace that seal eventually. So we vacuum everything out, get all the dust and all the chips out of there, brush everything off. Now we can get to examining what we've got here. Look at everything, see where we've got some bad. As you can see there, there's a bad blade. What we'll do with the blades is we'll just rotate it. We scrape all the tar and pitch off, rotate, replace the blades as needed. If I was going to rotate them all, I just didn't feel like I needed them. I'm a big fan of hand tools, so you can feel you could probably do it with a impact, but I don't like that. I'm old school. I like to feel and then tighten it up. It doesn't have to be overly tight. I call it a one finger pull. Get everything tight back in there. Just look through and find any of my bad blades and rotate them or replace them, whatever I've got to do. Go through it all. Just keep working around and finding my bad spots. And just take some time looking over everything, getting everything nice and clean. Again, I'm not rotating every blade. I'm just going through and rotating the ones that are bad or have dings in them. The reason I did this is my boards were coming out with a little bit of a groove, and I knew that I had a dinged up blade somewhere. So that was the purpose of this maintenance here on the cutter head. Once we get all that done, cutter head nice and clean, we scrape it, get all the tar and pitch, sap off of it, just clean it up nice. You can also use a little bit of spray if you want to help soften that up. I get it all cleaned up, and as you can see here, sweep out all that stuff off your table. You don't want that getting down into your rollers. So there you go. It's all cleaned up, ready to put back together. And again, I use some paste wax to clean up my table. Put the paste wax on. I do this probably every other week. And then I put a little bit of, that's a 3-in-1 oil bottle, but I got a 30 weight oil in there. As you can see, the table's cleaned up, ready to try. Turn her on, make sure everything works good. Everything's good. We run a board through it, check it. That's how it's done. Thank you guys for watching. Just an easy way to maintain your planer. Please like and subscribe.